my name is Alyssa and I am presenting some cold weather gear tips and tricks for Law Tigers. As a reminder, if you're ever injured in a motorcycle accident, call Law Tigers first. Law Tigers are the motorcycle lawyers that only get paid if you do, while making sure you get the most out of your insurance coverage for your ride. Learn more about Law Tigers in the link below. But right now, it's cold outside and we're talking about riding motorcycles. And as Bear Grylls or any survival expert will tell you, the most important thing is to keep your core warm. My first recommendation would be to choose gear that blocks out water. Goretec is a popular fabric technology used by many brands to create weather resistance. And much like how Kleenex is technically a brand of tissue paper, Goretec is a type of weatherproofing, but is used by several brands and usually a nice indicator of some solid gear. The goal here is to stop water and even more so wind, keeping Mother Nature out as you ride. Whether you opt for a weatherproof exterior layer, like rain gear, or a windproof base layer, the breeze stops here. Caught without any fancy layers, a hack that I've been guilty of more than enough times, the ever so lovely gas station trash bag. Although not winning any fashion awards, it provides one last layer of windproofing. Avoiding this look can also be done by finding a good multiple season jacket. Some liners only are a vest, but a great jacket will have a full sleeve liner like my Olympia jacket shown here. Yet we're still leaving the most vulnerable part of our bodies exposed. Enter the neck buff. These things come in all different styles and thicknesses, just like the masks of 2020, and personally, I leave a neck buff in every single one of my saddlebags, so if the weather changes unexpectedly, at least I can keep my neck warm, thus keeping my core temperature up. We still need our hands to pilot this motorcycle. Seek out gloves with a thicker winter lining. Brands will usually even list them as waterproof or even include the word winter in the description. And another gas station hack, in case your luck has run as thin as those summer gloves, ask for rubber gloves or food service gloves. These will provide one last layer of weatherproofing. Now that we've armed ourselves with protection from the elements, we can also make our motorcycles help protect us. Windscreens and handguards can help deflect the wind, and some motorcycles can even power heated grips or allow you to plug in heated gear. Do double check your motorcycle's electronic accessory capabilities. This can of course be done by referencing your owner's manual, or at least give it a proper Google search before purchasing some fancy heated gear. My name is Alyssa, and again, Law Tigers is there for you should you need them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, give us a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.